The 5 easiest ways to make money with AI without learning how to code, feeling overwhelmed, or chasing every new opportunity you see online. Hey there, my name is Kristin Nicole, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 real ways to make money with AI, especially as a beginner. And in just a few minutes, I'm also going to share a big secret around making money with AI. Now, I know the conversation around AI is exciting. You really want to maximize on this opportunity. And at the same time, it can also feel a little overwhelming because of everything that's going on. There's a lot of noise out there right now and a lot of hype as well. And a lot of people are making it sound more complicated than it needs to be, or maybe even easier than it actually is. So it's hard to figure out what's real and what is actually possible and realistic. So the goal of this video is not to push you into anything. It's to give you a grounded understanding of what's actually possible so you can see what feels interesting and safe or aligned for you in order to maximize on this AI opportunity. Think of this training as your AI business option menu. So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. So the 5 main AI business models or main ways to make money with AI. I'm going to walk you through that, and I'm going to explain what each one is and some of the pros and cons. Okay, so the first one is being an AI consultant. So what this is helping businesses understand how to use AI tools like ChatGPT, Ideogram, Claude, things like that in their operations or in their marketing. Some examples of this would be showing a small business how to use AI for content, helping to organize workflows around it, helping them to write some prompts to get some research done, teaching teams how to write those better prompts so that you can actually get a good output. Because the thing with AI is if it is garbage in, it also is garbage out. So you really want to focus on writing those really great prompts. The pros to this is that it is very high income potential and it's very in demand right now. You can start with a very simple knowledge as well, but some considerations are it does require learning and practicing with the AI tools and also knowing a lot of variety of tools that are out there. And it requires explaining things clearly, and it also requires some level of visibility or communication. Number 2 is an AI ad agency. What this is using AI to help businesses run ads more efficiently. This might include writing ad copy with AI, generating ideas for campaigns, testing variations faster. You are not replacing ads, you're actually improving them by using AI in order to do so. Now, the pros to this are businesses are already spending money on ads, and there is a clear ROI-based service within this. And it can also scale into an entire ad agency where you can start hiring people as well. Some of the things you want to think about, though, is that it does require an understanding of basic marketing. There is some client communication and learning ad platforms. So if you aren't familiar with that, ad platforms like on Google and YouTube and Meta, for example, you would need to learn that as well. Number 3 is creating digital products with AI or AI digital products. So what this is using AI to help you create things like ebooks, guides, templates, mini courses. An important note on this is that AI helps you to create things faster, but it shouldn't replace your thinking or your voice. Okay, so you do want to use it as a thought partner, but ensuring that the content that you are creating with it, the ebooks or the guides, anything like that, is accurate, because it can produce some what is called AI slop. It just completely inaccurate information and completely false information. The pros to this are that it is scalable income. It can be quiet behind the scenes work. You can actually partner with someone, partner with a creator and create the digital products. And then you take a cut of any profit that they make from those digital products because you've created them. It is great for introverts in that way. Some things to consider is that it does require an audience or traffic. So this is where partnering with someone who already has an audience would be a really great way to tap into that. It also requires refining the AI output, and it takes time to build some momentum. So number 4 would be AI content creation or an AI content creator. Now, it's important to understand that AI in and of itself is not a business model, and AI content creation is not a business model. So you need to partner AI content creation with things like affiliate marketing, okay? Because that is how you can maximize on the sales there. And the really big secret, and the thing that I want you to know about this, is that unless you are someone who is developing an AI tool, which is highly technical and does require a lot of skill and a lot of knowledge and background in technology, then the way to use AI to make money is by treating it as the engine to making money. Okay, it's going to help you go faster. It's going to help you refine easier. It's going to help you do research more quickly in terms of market research and where the gaps are. But in and of itself, AI just alone is not its own business model. So whether it's consulting or an ad agency or whatever, AI is just there to help you accelerate. It's the engine that helps you work smarter, faster, and also teach the skills of doing this if that's the route you want to take. Now, with AI content creation specifically, you can use AI to create the content with you and monetizing through affiliate links. Some examples of these would be creating something like best AI tools for beginners, or creating tutorials or reviews of things like products that you have used. And then you would earn money when people click your links if you are promoting affiliate products. So you would have to, so this is actually coupled with affiliate marketing. Now, the pros to this is that there is no product creation, unlike AI digital products. In this model, you would be creating the content, but you would already have a product, like an affiliate marketing product, and it can be combined with YouTube or blogging. It also can help with creating evergreen income potential. So that would be where, your content is available 24/7 and you're sleeping, and people on the other side of the world could be seeing it, and then they're opting in and they're purchasing whatever affiliate product you have decided to promote. Some things to consider with this, though, is that it does require consistency. It does require building trust with your audience, and it takes time to grow, or it can take time to grow, because it can take some time to get some momentum. And then number 5 would be an AI chatbot creator or reseller. So chatbots are nothing new. They have been around for a while. However, there are a lot of really bad chatbots out there. You've probably experienced them yourself. But using something called hybrid AI combined with AI chatbots is really where the rubber meets the road and the potential is. This would actually be helping businesses install and use chatbots on platforms like Facebook or their website. Okay. And this one I know sounds really technical. It's actually not. There is a way to do this without having to code anything and without having to be really super tech savvy. It is very minimal tech skills required. That is to say, if you can use the internet, then you can set up these chatbots. Okay. And these chatbots can answer questions. They can capture leads. They can book appointments. There are tools out there, which I will talk about in another video, that will help you with this sort of creation. And what you can do is build chatbots for businesses, or manage them, or resell them to other businesses. So you can actually partner with a business and create one, or you can create one that actually it helps with sales or lead generation, and then sell those to businesses. The pros to this is really high demand, and it's also recurring. There's also a recurring income potential. It has a very clear business value, but then there are some considerations to think about, like learning the setup and the systems for this, getting comfortable with kind of the flow that you need to learn, and then also client communication. So I'm going to talk about that a little bit more in another video, but really the thing to understand is that this is the landscape of the 5 easiest ways to make money with AI right now. The important thing to know is that you are not choosing today. This is just for you to get an idea. So some paths are faster for income building, like the AI consultant and the AI chatbot creator reseller. And that some things are a little bit slower, like AI content creation and digital products, because you need to test things out and you need to build an audience. Some of these business models require more communication, and some are more behind the scenes. So one thing to note is that most people don't choose one forever. You just need to choose one to start with, and then you can evolve, okay? So you want to pick one that you feel like you can consistently work on and consistently build up, and one that you find at least a little bit exciting, right? That you can kind of get behind, and then recognizing that you can evolve from there, but you just want to get some traction first. So a couple of things to think about just as we wrap this up is which one of these felt interesting to you, which one felt a bit overwhelming or just a total turnoff. Is there one that you feel more curious about? Is there one that matches how you naturally may like to work? And that's something where I will talk about in my next video as well. And then which one seems safe or feels safe for your nervous system too? Was there one that just felt like you were pulled more towards versus one where it's just absolutely not? The thing to keep in mind is AI is a very powerful tool, but it is not a shortcut to instant success, okay? This is not a get rich quick. None of these are get rich quick. They do take time to build. There is some learning involved, and you still need clarity, and you still need consistency. You still need decision making as well as that learning component. What matters most is just recognizing and knowing that AI is there to help support your thinking. It does not replace your thinking. It's there to help you accelerate. It does not do everything for you, okay? So you do still need to have some discipline for any of these models in order to really grow them into a business that's making you some money. So again, you don't need to choose anything right now. Just notice what felt interesting or light. And then in the next video, I will go through each one of these in more depth and talk about the energy styles needed for each one to help you figure out which one would work best for you and which one you would be most excited to try. Okay, so that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.